Hi, year two. I hope you've all been working very hard. And I've been looking at your work and I'm very impressed with the people that have been handing it in so far. Now, yesterday you did some subtracting with renaming when you were crossing your tens over. So the video was showing you why we do it. Now, today I'm going to be making sure that we get that method stuck in our heads so it can't go out. So I'm going to get my whiteboard. And the first sum we are going to work out is 73 take 29. So like on Wednesday, we're going to set it out with our tens and ones. 73 take away 29. So the first thing I do is to make sure I definitely have to cross my tens. So my question is 3 take away 9. So I get my 3 fingers up. Can I take 9 off 3? If I had 3 sweets, could you take 9 off me? No, we couldn't. So what we have to do is we have to knock on next door and we're borrowing 1 from 7. So we cross out 7, we're borrowing the 1, so we turn it to a 6. And the 1 that we've borrowed, we put it here. So we're going to put 13 in our heads and 9 fingers up. Let's all do it together. 13 with 9 fingers up, 13 back in, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. My answer is 4. And then the next question is slightly easier. 6 take away 2. So let's get 6 fingers up and take 2. Or put 6 in our head, 2 fingers up. I'm going to put 6 in my head and 2 fingers up. So 6, 2 fingers up, put 6 back in, 6, 5, 4. So my answer is 44. Okay, I'm going to do another one. So I'm going to move you further down. You might not be able to see my face anymore. So the next one is 81 take away 36. I'm really hoping this isn't backwards for you all. So tens and ones. 81 take away 36. So our first question is 1 take away 6. So I've got 1. Can I take 6 sweets off you if you've got 1 sweet? No. So I knock on next door and I cross out number 8 and I'm borrowing 1 off them. So I'm going to turn it to a 7 and put the 1 there. So now my question is 11 take 6. So 11 in my head, 6 fingers up, 11 back in, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. My answer is 5. And then the next one, 7 take away 3. So 7 in my head, 3 fingers up, 7 back in, 7, 6, 5, 4. My answer is 45. Now I'm going to do some on whiteboard mode. So let me just share whiteboard mode. Okay, because this will definitely be the right way now. So we're going to do 45 take 15. So tens and ones. 45 take 15 is. Let me just rub that out. I think we should make it a little bit harder because I've written it down wrong. So it's actually 42 take 15. So 42 take 15. Okay, so first let's check 2 take 5. Can I do it? Let's get 2 fingers up. Can I take 5 off you? No. So we're going to knock on next door. Let's cross out the 4, change it to a 3 because I'm borrowing 1 off it. That 1 goes here. Now we're putting 12 in our head, 12 with 5 fingers up. We're going to put 12 back in, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. So my answer is 7. Then we're going to put 3 in our head and 1 finger up, put 3 in my head, 1 finger up, put 3 back in, 3, 2. So my answer is 27. Now I'm going to try and trick you for a little bit. So, in fact, I'm going to give you a go first. So I'm going to give you 63, take away 29. Oh, I forgot my tens and ones. That's not very good at all. I hope you were all telling me. Right, I'd like you to pause the video here and I'd like you to try it on your own in your book or on a piece of paper. Right, I hope you've all had a go because I'm going to go through it now. So 3, if you've got 3 sweets, can I take 9 off you? No. So we knock on next door and we cross out the 6. We're borrowing 1 off it so it becomes a 5. The 1 goes here. 13, take 9. Let's put 13 on our head and 9 fingers up. Put 13 back in. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. The answer is 4. Now 5 in our head and 2 fingers up. Put 5 in my head, 2 fingers up, 5 back in, 5, 4, 3. And your answer is 34. Now, let's see if you can do these ones. I'm going to give you 2. And there's a very good reason for me to give you 2. So I'm trying to trick you here. So have a think clearly about whether you need to borrow 1. So there are your questions. Have a go and just pause the video here until you've finished both. Okay, so I hope you had a very good go at those. And now the reason I was trying to trick you, or the way I was trying to trick you is, if you've got 6 sweets, can I take 3 off you? 1, 2, 3. I can. So the answer here is actually 3. 8 take away 2. 8 take away 2 is 6. Okay, and we're now going to try the last one. So 2 take away 9. If you've got 2 sweets, can I take 9 off you? No, I can't. So we knock on next door, cross out the 5. We're borrowing 1, it makes it 4. Give the 1 to 12 to make that 12. Put 12 in our head, 9 fingers up, put 12 back in, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. And then 4 in our head, 2 fingers up, 4 back in, 4, 3, 2. Your answer is 2. Now, this is really hard, so don't worry if you're not completely getting it. Just try your hardest and we'll come back to it another time. Thank you so much for all your hard work, and I will speak to you all soon.